I presented you a Pyrotechnic PyroPractic week. I will start next week on Monday and finish on Friday. I will upload every day at 6 p.m. Moscow time or at 10 a.m. New York. This per week is related to my small update. I will present you various cylinder shell, 2-inch to 6-inch cylinder shell, paper tube for time fuse, for different shell 2.5 to 6 inches, and kozo-paper. I use this paper for packing rice husk in cylinder shell. It's really what you liked in Pyrotechnic. On the first day I will show making 2-inch cylinder shell, and every day I will increase the caliber of the shell, and I finish with 6-inch cylinder shell. I will show the creation of the most different shell and the launch of each effect. You probably noticed a new room. From now on, most of the videos will be in my new Pyro house. I will make a room tour later. I spent a lot of time for creating my Pyro house, and now there will be really high quality videos. You can get the full price lists by contacting me. All the data for contacting me will be in the description. The next price list will be updated after the PyroPractic week. Subscribe to my channel, not to miss new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm waiting you for a PyroPractic week. Bye bye.